Stop. Girl, that's a switchblade. No, stop. You hurt yourself. Okay.
What's my script? Pause it. Pause the camera.
Okay.
So I just got an order from Big Z Fabric. Let's open it up with my least favorite sewing scissors. This is the Peach Minky. They were not having a sale on it. They were having a sale on all their Mochi Minky fabric, which is what I use to make a lot of my stuff. It's kind of it's more like a squishmallow type fabric, but really soft, stretchy. This is the regular Minky fabric, and I needed to get a replacement for the peach color because I have to source it from a different place. The original manufacturer for this specific color has kind of outpriced what I can really afford to make my products affordable, so I'm having to source it in a new place. Big Z had a peach color, and I'm hoping it's gonna look pretty similar. So this is I got 2 yards of the Coral Minky. This is the only Minky that I bought because the Mochi Minky was on sale, so I bought a whole bunch of it because it was a really good price. The next one is, I think this is called Lavender Mochi Minky. I think it's just, I don't know. So this is the gold Mochi Minky. Light pink. Oh, I got a lot of light pink. Light pink Mochi Minky. Boop. And then this is the white. I got a lot of white. I think the rest might be white. No, I have saddle. I forgot. I also got saddle. I think that's the last of the colors I got. Ooh, I go through the saddle like no one's business. I don't know what it is. But saddle and white, go through them very quickly. And these are the colors I got just to test them. Because I feel like I'll use these colors. So I'm going to get this packed up, put away, and filed into our fabric storage. Because we need to focus on this. Oop, we need to focus on this pink peach fabric that we bought. This is one of our more popular items, the peach blush. I'm having to resource the fabric we used for this because they've gotten, I used to get it from Easy Fabric, they've gotten way out of our price range. They're just way too expensive per yard for us to be able to keep these affordable. So this is the closest to peach I could find. So I'm going to put together a sample real quick of the peach plush in this new color. I'm really hoping we don't have to retake product photos. I will say this about Big Z Fabric is that the fabric came to me with not a wrinkle inside. That's gorgeous. Wrinkle free. I gotta turn these right side out. Okay.
Did you throw it on purpose?
No. No, I didn't throw it on purpose. I was so confused.
I was gonna ruin your take though, so I wasn't gonna say anything.
I got 2 done. Did you enjoy looking at my ceiling? It's lovely. Now I've got to stuff it. Okay, so it's all stuffed, though the camera doesn't like my pink shirt. So I don't know if it's gonna focus in. Focus. Hi. Beep, beep. That's the new color. This is the old color. I may have to switch it up because I think my pink shirt is messing with the lighting. They don't look too different, in my opinion, but this one's definitely lighter. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to retake product photos. I'm also gonna have to resource the stem. I'm gonna have to go to a slightly different green. So since all of it's gonna be changed, I'm probably just gonna have to do new product photos. But that's okay because we need to release some of our other fruit plushes, so maybe I'll just do it all at one time, try to get our lemons, blueberries. I have a couple more ideas, maybe like use bubble minky to make like raspberries and blackberries. I feel like that'd be fun. So maybe I'll just do it all at one time. I have enough of this material left to last me a little bit longer. I may have to take the listing down if I do run low, so that I don't accidentally run out of peach, the original peach color. But I think the new one's a good replacement. I think it looks really similar. I'll do some shots to where the color is more, is like easier to see, because I think with my pink shirt on, it's like impossible to see the colors. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I'll keep y'all updated on what I do about the peach plushes. If you guys really like the original color, you need to go get it now before it's all gone, because this will be the last of it. Thanks for watching. Oh, that was horrible. Thanks for watching.
Oh no, I look at it. Thanks for watching.
These are other lemon, orange, I don't know, apple or something. These are gonna get uploaded at the same time, or these gonna get listed at the same time, free from their bag.